Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you on our 2018 Mazda 3 where the brake fluid is located and how to check it. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. The hood release location is on the driver's side, left side of your knee. It's located with the car and the hood opened. It's a lever right there. I'll show you. You lift it up, and right in the center is the lever. That's the hood lock latch. And you bring it over to the driver's side. You lift your hood. The prop rod's in the front, and the location is clearly marked with an arrow. Your master cylinder brake fluid is located in front of the driver's seat in the engine compartment. It's right here. It's clear, buoyant plastic with a black cover. When you take the cover off, you'll see right there, it'll tell you .3 type of brake fluid. Make sure there's no dirt, the cover's clean, reinstall. And you can see the level on the side. There's a max imprint and a min for minimal. You can shake it a little bit and you'll see the level right there at max.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.